Earth crust. Discuss about Earth, internal structure of Earth, of Earth also there. Internal structure of the Earth, three layers: crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, core. We are discussing movements of the earth crust. Movements of the earth crust. Here, today we see that like the present continents of the like world. There are 7 continents of that like the world divided. How the present position of that like the continent is taking long time for the purpose of forming present position there. So the world to landside, Laurasia and Gondwana. Based on that like the Greek or that like the German meteorologist and that like geophysicist Alfred Wegener introduced that like the theory of continental drift. Alfred, the German meteorologist Alfred Wegener introduced the theory of continental drift. Introduced of continental drift. So here like the how to formation that like these continents also tell it tell about that like the continental the position of that like continents explain that the present arrangement of the like continents and the like ocean basin. He postulated that like a massive supercontinent which are called that like Pangea. Means that totally the whole land called also that like Pangea. And also this is also that like that existing 220 million years ago. 220 million years ago, and breaking apart into that like several large sections. And also he suggested that like the section of that like moved away from that like each other also. Wegener suggested continents also move to east, even today onwards also that like the continents are moving there, but it's very slowly there. For real, for annum like 1 centimeter or that like 0.5 centimeters also the continent moving there. We are not that like find out there, but that like a geography also, sciences also they are there to find these information. Continents moving from one area to another one day. So this is also that like suggested by Alfred Wagner. Alfred Wagner, and also that like the over millions of that like years, some continents are collided with that like each other. They are still moving around. When that like the continents also they are that like hit to that like another continent. Another one continent is hit to that like another continent also there. So Pangaea is a hypothetical continent from which is the present continents originated by that like a depth of that Mesozoic era to that like a present. Wagner hypothesizes that the supercontinent Pangaea broke out that like a two parts. The Pangaea broke up two parts. One is Laurasia, and second one Gondwana land. Land. Okay, in this one day, that like a Laurentia, North America, and Greenland, and all of that like Eurasia, the north of that like Indian, all of that Eurasia. So according to that like Alfred Wagner Day, the world also means that like that the Pangaea like a supercontinent broke up into that like two land masses. So Laurasia and Gondwana land. So North America, Greenland, and all that like Eurasian places all comes to that like under that like that Laurasia. Second one that Gondwana land, South America, and Africa, and Madagascar, India, Arabia, Malaysia, and the East Indies, Australia and Antarctica, and Antarctica. Places like South America, Africa, Madagascar, or that like India, Arabia, or that like Malaysia, East Indies, Australia, and that like Antarctica. These are comes to that like under that like a Gondwana land. Means we are also that like comes under that like a Gondwana land. The Pangaea split into that like two parts. Russia and like a Gondwana land. Gondwana land. So that the Alfred Wegener, he gave that like the world also, yes, like this continents. The Russia that like some countries and Gondwana land also that like some country. So this is the next the Earth grid system. The Earth grid system. Grid system. In previously like a sixth class, latitudes and longitudes, latitudes and longitudes, latitude and longitudes, latitudes and longitude. So next topic, the Earth grid system. Earth, Earth system. Grid system. So here and atlas also there, globe also there. We find that like a latitudes and longitudes. These are that like a latitude, latitude, and longitudes, longitude, and longitude, latitudes and longitude. So these are longitude and these are the longitudes, longitudes, latitudes and longitudes. So using an atlas to find it like a latitudes and longitudes of that like a place also, right? So when we see that like a atlas, when we see the atlas also, we find that like a places. When we know that like a these latitudes and longitudes also, right? When we see that latitudes and longitude also, we find that like a places it is very easily. It's very easily. When we know that like a latitudes and longitudes, exactly we are located there. There is another like a waste of that like a time also there. Find out easily with the help of these latitudes and longitude. Present the place of that like a present the place of like a cube. This is also that like a located in Japan. This is located in like a Japan there. Latitude 34 degrees or that like a 41 degrees north. And 135 degrees are that like a 135 degrees to 12 minutes east longitude. So we find that like a yes 4 balls to join. Like here that exactly that 4 balls to join. So next one, at last you see that like a many present information slightly different, but these elements will be there also, right? And then now find that like latitude, longitude, the value for that like other places. The list of that like a earthquake prone also, right? Located them and world map also. For example, like here the Pacific ring, where we have find that like a Pacific ring, the generally Pacific ring also that like we find the prone areas, earthquake prone areas. So when we know that these latitudes and the longitude, yes, we are easily to identify that like a prone areas, earthquake prone areas. So what is a grid? Grid means the network of latitude and longitude. Grid, the network of latitude and longitude. The network of latitude and longitude. The latitudes and longitudes that like a drawn. These are called that like a grid. With the help of that like a grid, we can locate that like a places also. So that like a the network of latitude and that like a longitudes. It is grid. We draw that like a latitudes and latitude and longitude on globe. This is also called yes, grid also there. So this is like a yes example of that like a this is that like a globe. This is globe there. Globe. So we draw that like a latitude and longitude also there. So this is called grid. And what is the use of the grid? Why we have to draw that like a these? And also these lines also to call that like a imaginary lines. These latitudes and longitude to call that like a imaginary lines also there. What is the why there is a to draw that like a these lines? What is the use of that like a yes these lines? We locate the places when we know that like a latitudes and longitudes. Yes, anybody to ask that like a person, show me that like a where is that like a India? Where is that like a I say like a 4 balls right? India is that like a what is a 8 degree 4 minutes like that, and that like a the 4 balls that like a in 34 degrees 41 yes minutes north latitude, and like a 135 degrees that like a 12 minutes east longitude. Like this we say that like a answers to that like a is two others also right. So great use of that like a yes great size. Here we can locate places latitude and longitude with the with the help of latitude and longitude. So this is the use of latitudes and longitudes. We can locate we can identify that like a places also easily locate and identify also these places. So and also we go to that like the directions also easily we go to that like directions also that we go to reach that like a places also next latitude side. Grade means that like a longitudes drawn that like a globe or that like the network of latitudes and longitudes, that is called grid system latitudes. Next one, so these are latitudes, these are the latitude. This is that like a yes latitude. This is the these are the latitude. So that firstly this is also that like a that the horizontal circle, the horizontal circles, the horizontal circles that goes around it, that goes around it, that goes around the earth exactly, around the earth exactly in the middle in the middle at the equal distance from north to south, middle at equal distance, at equal distance from north pole to south pole, from north pole to south pole, south pole. So this is called that like a latitude, like a this is that like a the horizontal lines. You know that like in mathematics also you learn about that like a yes vertical lines or that like a horizontal lines also vertical lines and horizontal lines. So the horizontal lines, the horizontal line are that like a circle that goes around that like a earth exactly the middle at that like a equal distance. So here from one latitude to another latitude also that like a same equal distance. So in this one the biggest that like a that pole is called that like a equator because it divides to that like a earth into that like a two equal parts. So this circle designated as that like a 0 degree. The following that like a angle it may at last also there. So that like a the biggest biggest latitude is called equator. So equator also that like a into that like a two parts. Equator the 0 degree that like a the biggest latitude is called that like a equator. This is also as this so called 0 degree latitude there. 0 degree there. Equator 0 degree latitude. So this is a 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude. This latitude, the whole divided into that like a this is also one part and that like a this is also one part there. So this is the one hemisphere and this is also that like a one hemisphere there. So this is here just like this is the north. This is that like a south there. 0 degree to that like a north where there is a 90 degrees south or that like where there is a south of that like a 90 degrees. The end of 90 degrees south pole, the end of that like a this latitude 90 degrees of north pole. So 1 degree, 2 degrees, like that in northern hemisphere we find that like a 90 degrees. 90 latitude. Same that like in south also we find that like a 90 latitude. So totally here the 180 latitudes without that like a equator also there. So this is the biggest latitude among all that like a latitudes there. So eastern portion 90 latitudes, west and south pole north side 90 latitudes, south 90 latitudes. So here from the equator going to that like towards the poles, the series of that like a parallel circles. The starting of that like these circles also that like a horizontal circle starting from 0 degree to that like a 90 degrees north pole. 90 degrees north pole or that like a 0 degree to south 0 degree to that like towards south 90 degrees here also that like a 90 latitude and like here 90 latitude side. So here the latitude comes from Latin word latitude comes from word Latin word latitudo means like a latitudo means width. One latitude to another latitude. For another one also like there is from 1 to 90. So to 90 degrees, same equal distance. The circles also from one circle to another circle there. Same equal distance. So the latitude came from that like coming from that like a Latin word. So latitudo, the word name. Latitudo means weight. Latitudo means weight. The line shows that like where that like a latitudes, the value ranges from that like a 0 degree. Means the starting of that like a latitudes also there. Starting from 0 degree to 90 degrees north, 0 degree to that like a 90 degrees to that like a south. So here, so there is a no latitude less than that like a 0 degree. Starting on that like a 0 degrees there, and there is a like a greater than that like a 90 degrees latitude also there. So n to that like a 90 degrees latitude. Okay, so these are the latitudes. Every latitude must be designated with that like a direction north or south for that like a equator there. So south of the equator, north of the equator. For example, that like a 1 latitude to second, that is the equal distance. Same the circle. These are that like a yes full circles. Dying from that like a equator to that like a yes 90 degrees north pole, that like a 0 degrees to that like a 90 degrees south pole there with a equal distance. And here there is some special important latitudes among that like a the 180 degree 180 latitudes totally 180 latitudes, 180 latitude, 180 latitude. So among that like a 180 latitudes, there is some latitudes also to given that like some special designation names also there. In previous class also we are learning in 6th class 23 of 1 degrees that like a north latitude there, 23 of 1 degrees that like a south latitude there, 66 of 1 degrees that like a north latitude there, 66 of 1 degree south latitude. So like that some latitude to give that like a special designation there. Special designation. So example of that like a yes this is that like a 0 degrees right? Yes like a here this is the 23 half 1 degrees 23 half 1 degrees north latitude and also 23 degrees of 23 like a yes here 23 degree 23 and half 23 and half degrees north that 23 and half that like a south latitude. So this is called like a 23 of 1 degree north latitude is called that like a Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer like a 23 of 1 degree is that like a south latitude is called okay the 23 of 1 degree south latitude given that like a designation Capricorn there. Tropic of Capricorn. So 23 one is a 23 half 1 degree north latitude called Tropic of Cancer. 23 half 1 degree south latitude called Tropic of Capricorn there. So this is the Capricorn this is that like a yes Cancer. Tropic of Capricorn day. Some special latitude to give that like a designation day. So here day like and also that like a 66 half 1 degree north latitude like a Arctic circle. This is that like a yes like a here the 66 half an degree. 66 half an degrees. And also like a, yes, here also that like a 66 half an degree. South latitude, this is that like a north latitude. This is that like a Arctic circle. This is that like a Arctic circle. This is that like a, yes, Antarctica circle there. So these are the some special designation. Okay, equator, like a 23 of 1 degrees, that like a north latitude, Tropic of Cancer. 23 degrees, 23 of 1 degrees, that like a south latitude, Tropic of Capricorn day. So these are the some special latitudes. Totally here the 180 latitudes. 180 latitude. This is also called that like a imaginary line also. Next, longitude. Next one, longitude. Yes, globe. Next of it, longitude. Sure. How that like a the latitudes also that like a drawn from that like a 0 degree to 90 degrees north. There is a full circles. 0 degree to that like a north, 0 degree to that like a south day. So this is also that like a Latin word, that longitude. Is that like the word longitude means length.